A very good afternoon and a warm welcome to our review video of this 2021 on the 71 plate BMW 430i convertible in Brooklyn grey metallic. Absolutely outstanding colour combination, and it also has the red Tocora Venesca leather. Absolutely stunning. Now we have got some photographs in the montage with the roof down and some very good shots of the interior, so please have a look at those as well as watching this video. It's important to tell you that Cheshire Cars are soon to be celebrating 28 years in business, and we have an enviable reputation for acquiring the very best in class of motor vehicles. This vehicle we purchased directly from the owners, and it's covered just over 7,000 miles. It's been covered by ourselves to BMW here in Crewe for its first service, and we do have a review video if you wanted to see that from the BMW dealer once the car was inside the workshop on the ramp, and everything is green, so it's still under BMW warranty. I think it was until November of next year, 2024, but probably the most attractive combination of colours you can have with the red and the grey. Absolutely fantastic. It also has the N Pro pack, so the black inserts into the front bumper. It has these upgraded 19-inch run flat, well, alloy wheels with run flat tyres, Bridgestones, all in great condition again, all in the green on the BMW service. And we'll just take you into the front. It's front and rear parking sensors, reverse camera as well. But the grille is the high gloss black, so too the vents either side just below the headlight units, and the headlight units are LED lighting, automatic of course, as you would imagine. Very few marks on the car. Let me just see if I can find it. There is a stone chip which we've touched in somewhere, just there on the bonnet. You can just see that. It is a tiny stone chip, but it's there, and we've touched it in with the correct colour. Obviously all our cars are approved. In other words, we do only buy the very best, and we've got red performance calipers, again part of the extended options package the vehicle's got. It also has a comfort pack, which is easy access opening to the doors, and a very exclusive individual lighting pack, which gives you, hopefully you can see in the dashboard there, the LED lights, and also in the door cards you've also have these projected lights here onto the floor as you get in and out of the vehicle. It's electric seats operated, and nice touch is when you want to go into the back of the car, the seat moves forward, and it will move back as well when you put the backrest back. In the boot itself you can actually get access to folding the seat middle section down. Let me just see if I can show you, because I did that just before the video. So there you go. Can you see that? That's the seat backrest, and there's a wind deflector just there as well. But once you've moved the wind deflector, you have access into the boot, so you could actually fit some longer items in the boot, even with a convertible. Now with the roof, we have treated the roof to a sealant. All our convertible cars, as well as having a ceramic infused wax applied, also have a waterproof sealant which lasts between 12 and 15 months. It's very easy to do, and we don't charge for it. Neither do we charge for the machine polish on the vehicle's bodywork, and all the high gloss black detailing, all been machine polished, and again a ceramic infused wax has been applied to the vehicle. On the BMW, just to try and keep out the exhaust, the camera is just there in the badge. How smart is that? Very nice. So it's just short of 300 brake horse, this car, doing through a 2-litre twin turbocharged power unit. It has a responsive gearbox, ZF, with options to go into Sport and Sport Plus, or Economy Pro, or Comfort. I'll try and explain some of those various positions on the gearbox to you once we're inside. but it's fair to say the vehicle is exceptional condition. There are no smells, no tobacco or animal odours inside the car, and there is no concernable damage inside the vehicle, so no scuffs, scratches, scrapes inside it. Everything is as it was built and left the factory. So a really pleasant car to sit in. Also, the steering wheel is heated, so as well, along with heated seats, you've got the I call it neck scarf heating. I think they call it air scarf. You've got heating around your ears, you've got heating on your bum, and you've got heating on the steering wheel. So there's no excuses, guys and girls, if you buy the car, why in the winter you can't have the roof back, the roof down, and you can have a hat on, I suppose, but you could be beautifully warm and toasty with all those eating options you have with this vehicle. There's the reverse camera showing at the moment. I just reversed it into the spot we're in now for the review video. Let me just climb in, ease myself in, and close the door. Beautiful car, absolutely stunning car. On the driver's side, you have memory position, 2 memory positions, and so that's a nice feature. Electrically heated and folding door mirrors, demonstrate for you. Also, you can do that when you lock the car, it will automatically fold them in for you. You've got auto hold, and you've got full handbrake. So auto hold is useful. You would press that down and it would light up green like it has, and that just holds the car when you come to a temporary stop. So traffic lights or a car in front has stopped, you don't want to keep your foot on the brake, just press that down and it will hold the car for you, and then you can just drive off without pushing it down again. That can stay on all the time actually. And you've got your neck scarf heating just there. That's your soft top, so we'll just do the roof down. It takes about 15 seconds, and I believe you can also complete the operation either way, opening or closing, I think up to 30 miles per hour. So that's useful to know. So you can actually operate the roof on the go. So very good indeed. It's got a large screen. Let's just go up to the home screen from the camera. So there's your home screen. The wheel takes you to wherever you want to go to. So if you go to media, now has it got I think it's just playing at the moment because my phone's in the office actually. It's just playing it off my Bluetooth, but it is connected up to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and I believe I have taken some photographs inside, so the montage of showing you the screen with the Apple CarPlay up and running. Obviously with that you also get Apple Google Maps and Apple Maps as well, I guess. Heated seats, there you go, 3-stage heating both sides, electronic climate control, cruise and speed limiter, Tiptronics either side, up on the right, down on the left. Also it has automatic high beam assist just on there, so there we go, that's fantastic. And then you've got more controls here for the volume and your voice activation. Let's just see if I can cancel.
Cheers.
There we go, just cancel that. So gearbox wise, you have multiple options to operate through the gearbox. You'll see you have Sport, Comfort, Eco Pro and Adaptive. So Adaptive is, I believe, just the suspension settings and the throttle response, just tightens everything up. Eco Pro is self-explanatory, you get the most out of the car. It does reduce the air conditioning if you choose that option. It's defaulted to be Comfort, so all BMWs are defaulted for Comfort. So that's again self-explanatory, gives you the, it's not quite the Sport mode, but it's not Eco Pro neither, it's in the middle, so that's a nice setting, and probably most drivers will use that as a default setting, where it is set as the default actually. Then Sport and Sport Plus. So Sport, it just alters the throttle response, and the steering wheel feels more slightly heavier for more driver interaction. And if you choose the Plus, the Sport Plus, it disconnects the DSC, dynamic stability control, so you will get a little bit of not wheel spinning as such, but you'll to be able to hang the rear of the car out. We would only advise you if you're qualified to do that, and only when it's safe and legal to do so. So probably nowhere on the roads in Britain, only on a racetrack. So that is up to you, but it's there should you require it. I'm not advising you to go mad on our roads. So there's a brief introduction of those settings. You've got on and off for the override of the stock control features, and it will parallel park you as well, so that's on this section here. So altogether, and a very, very nice package. I love this. This is the carbon, brushed aluminium carbon. It's absolutely gorgeous. It suits the car really well, and it goes up into the display here. So altogether, a very, very nice car, and I'm sure it won't be around too much longer before someone realizes it and snaps it up, because I don't think there are any available with this little mileage, 7,000, and in this combination. So it's a really, truly lovely car, both from the inside and the outside. Absolutely stunning. And you have the wind deflector that goes across, which is I've shown you just behind the seats here, and that just fits across the rear. So that's our 71 plate, Brooklyn Grey 430 convertible, purchased directly from the owners, who were buying a holiday home and needed the extra funds to help with that. So we gratefully networked with some people that we know who know them, and that is how we came by this car. So the business has been established 28 years, and all our reviews are available on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader. Car finance, we welcome part exchange, all available. You can buy the car totally online, or you can come and see it, drive it, and decide on it once you've seen it. But any buying online, you only pay for the car